comes it to be your sense. It's a la na na go. Since it comes it to be your sense. It's a la na na go. Every long I'm in line. Every long I'm in line. Every long I'm in line.
Really fun,
very fun.
It's when now I say, I did you go far no invite you,
baby.
No wonder.
Can you imagine inviting
you so and a baby.
Baby, me hold dumb. Me catch yourself, me hold dumb. Obia chain, the pen I out where friends are very never worry, and Yamia dumb. And when you in the form of me, baby, me and get to baby. No, you can make a can't change of food. Come on. Man can't joke. Baby, sorry, Shay. Sorry, honey. Thank you, so they be okay, me. I love you. Yeah, baby. Nah.
I really love you. And maybe I'll prove to you, say, Nipa baby, sometimes you are no more kana. And I share the scene and worry.
And they catch you.
Nipa de, oh, Champina, I say, unya enjoyment and I say, more, but unya worry, none but I will prove to the world, say, I will
read the same project. Baby, thank you. Thank you so much, baby. Thank you. And baby, just say, the way I was shimming you, hey, sad you way.
Me share when Monyamu, you know, I say,
baby, me no shimming.
No, you know, I say, when you
see, oh, wow, no day. And me, our
now, when him said Bemen and Safu, so I watch him down, so when you
of course.
Because Nipa de Bema, who's so be a crowns or back and one answer our warrior. Respect me, exactly. Now, when they won't buy us, what are you okay? Now, send me out in there.
Good day, me for crab, my warrior, who did your bonting. Oh, never ever. So me could be the bonting. Come on.
When did the bonting a Casacon, but well,
I know. Someone to a way of Diana, your honey, or bounce with your baby, now me will fee. Baby, maybe we'll fear not could job on thing. Dear, hammer no journey. Maybe suit my end. Just say, my home of jay. I'm a teacher. Baby, I love you. I love you so much. Baby, honey, we are copy. I know copy, and they go here from you. Hey, babe, I never knew that you are strong. I don't say that I hold you a chain. Said I will worry about.
The honeymoon, the Bema be loose, the name was a
what do you want to say? Baby,
hey, you are funny.
Oh, yeah, funny. Me, my chef,
What's up, people?
You could show baby, and she said, yeah, my phone is half a dream. Man, no, we said, there no, I'm not paying you bread. How much change?
Yeah, now see room.
Me, I don't say room. So when you're stubborn, they don't punish me. What's yummy? That's our one.
But what you call?
No, what you
Oh, yeah, no, see, open cookies, no, right? And that's a mistake. I forgot.
Though some special cooking, no.
Why, if I had one country, say,
chef, and come on, I eat you. Only honeymoon.
Let me tell.
Some special one, I'm told more, no. Baby, me call door. Oh, yes, baby.
Yeah, but call home.
Okay.
Then I get down and go get it for you.
Ah, that's my
day, so you don't have to step back.
That's my baby. That's why I love you. That's why I choose you. Oh.
I'll choose you over and over and over and
baby,
over.
Me they say we are say cover. You cover.
Oh, come back to the me.
Oh, baby,
I don't care what I say. Anything I go pay.
Oh, I love you so much. Thank you, I love you. Thank you. Thank you, honey. Come here. Then
I see love.
Oh, me too. I see love. I see joy. I see.
And I see forever deal.
Yes.
I love you.
Love you more. Kiss me. I want to kiss you. Another one. Another one, baby.
Let me get down and get it for you.
Okay, baby. Oh my God.
Hi. Sorry for my manners, okay? I know it wasn't right for me to call you, but your beauty caught my attention.
Okay, I'm flattered.
You are looking astonishing. Wow. So, I mean,
Okay.
all this beauty for one person.
It's too early for this flattering word.
Anyway, if you don't mind, can we exchange contacts?
Fine, sure.
I guess I can call you at any time.
Yeah, you can.
The year doesn't seem right.
Yes, you can. You didn't tell me your name.
Oh, Naneche.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm Jessica.
Oh, nice meeting you, Jessica.
The pleasure is all mine.
All right, sure.
All right.
Let me call so you get mine.
Okay.
That's the 444.
Okay, sure.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Oh, you're welcome. Have a nice day.
Yeah, babe.
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
I got your cookies.
Oh my God. Oh, baby. Thank you. Mwah. Thank you so much.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too, honey. Oh, baby, open it for me.
I'll do anything to make you happy.
I know, right? Oh, wow. This is my favorite. Baby, thank you.
Love you so much.
I love you more.
It's a BB, it's a pretty, okay?
Baby, nothing. Baby, you're not better than come on. Wow. It's because I'm the condo now. See from now,
Of course, babe, I say BB, anything for you. Adia, Okasopa, Mintiminia, Adia Missicantimento.
If you actually know, it's going to be so.
Hey, come on, come on, and then you're missing me best ram. No, my baby, that was it. Oh, baby, no, obey the obiting. Why? Young couple is sure what's it.
Oh, sure, I want to sew.
Yamia, you will back who could do for, and the Ghana, oh, baby. Nurse, me create a see a worry. Me made you mammy, yes, so me crew dear wolf. Ain't you know me, tell me, just say, just a tick, good day. Show me, I'm here.
I go on, you tell it that way.
Hey, no, obey you. They had to see you.
Come on, Miss Madame was so I say, and pen for your body when you know, anyhow. Send your bow, Sika, now just always be a corner when you bear my cow. Obano, and yet in CPO. It's Miss Madame, I say. Namasada, when you bear my sauce. So, what do what thou dost come assure me.
Anyway, Ada, there's my sister. Actually, her name is B.
Say,
that's my sister.
oh, that's meeting me. I should be the other. If I sent you are making
Oh, okay. I have some who know where they are.
Hey, go on, let's share. Where did you hear you?
She's been helping us.
What the we got to back to back. I said, "Hey, you know, madam,
where they come? Oh, where they are? Brother, come, madam. Who is your my number? I know what small mummy no pepe, and you, and our madam so you couldn't hear. So why would you be?
Okay,
hey,
come on over today.
Where they come?
Papa, over today.
They are baby.
Can't we do any so for come on in your mouth? Before the day, I've been quiet.
Oh, I know I am quiet.
The sound of Papa.
I was a officer of this tea.
Officer, I mean, young quiet.
Because I'm casting you my and
some baby son or my dear, that doesn't sound good.
Then I want to see anymore. When you said, I ain't no bien and another year.
She didn't make this kind of man. And the air was just a movie anyway. To us, no,
oh my baby dear, me tell this one, I'm sorry. Yes, a bit of mass.
What's your way anymore? What's your way anymore? No, it's what?
I mean, there's my sister.
Okay.
Yeah, and going soon, I mean, why on crowd, you ever funny say you have to try.
Oh, okay. Maybe I don't make one work.
On the rough there.
Oh, that.
We're sure
it's really
funny. Now, because I will come or will be.
That's a bit of Madame Ocon, I never was so. Not on any other.
Don't mind.
I don't mean to see. I'm alive.
Let's see, and I say, who say, if you have a with you,
what's I say? Anyway, you can say,
oh, my cap.
oh, Brandy, how long they entertaining you?
Besides, I walk on my cap for humanity.
Now, what's now, US, what's
okay, United States of America.
United States of America. I don't know, no, California, Clovis.
But you're number one. Oh, California, Clovis.
What's a Clovis?
It's a whole population, you say. A whole population, you say.
33 population.
It's a hello, because we are a question about or may day. Or now, but we won't get it. We will need
But I know the Bibiano or the ABCMU. I'm going to.
Yes, okay, I'll be at your post.
I'm at my post right now.
It's all how when you're home, Jamin didn't for you, Kumani Po. What has not become on? If I was a woman,
next time we're signing in.
Kenya.
What's I was watching?
I've always told you, said, yeah, button your shirt to the top. I always
that's no.
Button it.
That is because
really appreciative of you taking, some time off your busy schedule for me. I much appreciate it.
You're always welcome. I wanted an outbreak, like I really needed to go out of my house.
Anyway, what do you do?
Oh, I'm into human trafficking.
Human trafficking? Hey! And then I'm very good here. Yeah, I'm
you are in danger. Okay, that was just by the way. I own a salon.
Wow.
Mr. My name is I own a salon, so you will help me. It could be that you're my destiny helper, please. Yes. And I also have a thrift business as well. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
What do you also do?
Well, I'm into the importation of computers and some accessories too.
You're a tech guy, right?
Not necessarily a tech guy, but the fact that me import computers and just me a tech guy. I didn't do IT.
So you know the detail of the tech.
No, tech guys, you all school, I call it MIS near IT near.
So you want to go school?
I went to school, I didn't do IT
Okay.
anyway. Yeah.
That's okay.
You're really pretty though.
Oh, thank you.
I'm just imagining would be the number of guys to get within a day.
I don't get any. I'm being honest here.
Jesse, that's a big lie.
It is no, I'm not lying. I don't get any compliments from
Jesse,
anyone.
this is actually a big lie. Tell me it's a lie.
It is not a lie. Why would I lie about it?
Is it because you are busy and call out and Tina when you have those compliments and answer them?
Most
What
of the
is
time,
strange?
I look like if you can say more about us, who would compliment me?
And you feel for you.
Yes.
I'm serious. I'm down serious. Because such a pretty girl like you don't step you out now. When you compliment, they trust me. You feel for me for your bar.
I make a difference. I really do.
I'll take you to church.
Which church do you attend?
Because come on.
Which church do you attend?
I'm a Catholic.
When was the last time you went to church?
Last 2 weeks Sunday.
Last
Come on, you know what? I'm actually promising you something everlasting, okay? I'm not into mess your life up. Hell no. Please, come on, how on earth will I wake up at this time to talk to you, even for love? I know, right? Babe, it's an assurance that I'm giving you.
Fine. But hold on, let me make my choice. No, you don't have to choose for me. You don't. Hold on. So we'll probably go to dinner in the evening. Then you know what we'll do afterwards. Okay.
Baby. Baby. Babe. Babe.
Anyway, if that's what you want. If it's covenant, I'm in for it. Well, I'm in for whatever, babe. Okay. Alright, babe. You know how much I love and appreciate you. I won't do anything to hurt you. It's a promise that I'm giving you. It's 100% assurance. Not even 99.99. Come on. I said I'm in for whatever, babe. You know?
Babe.
Let me go.
Baby. Baby, when are we going to about this time?
Come on, babe. I mean, some of these calls here and disturb you sleep. That's why I do this.
Baby, it's 2 a.m. 2 o'clock.
Sorry. You know I love you. Come on.
No, baby, this one is not love ourselves, honey. No. Business when I only 2 a.m. No, come on, honey. Baby, it's me. Attention upon our receive this call.
It's a business call. Come on.
2 a.m.
I will see a call trip, but me how come person I don't want to leave you here and go. Now discussion now here, sometimes the voices back also. And I didn't want to disturb you sleep.
I'm sorry, my sister, I'm going to wash you home. You know, baby, I'm fine. I love you too, but baby. No, let's go inside. Love you. Oh, baby, stop it. Stop. Hey.
That last one about
I will have to see, but just say the funny anyway. Okay, no one can share. Hi. Business call. And I do call SSA. And then business call now yet me who this say me. Mama shall call up, shall this say.
Tone it down, neighbor. Me pacho obuoni ani de kwaso. Me mfa me personal phone na phone na what person fi na wo person.
Me know me there is nothing personal here. Me know me there is nothing personal here. Yeah, number call. It's better call for question e ho bia. Mama shall phone no.
I say me know your number but me ntimi wura wo. Adia wo yi sebi.
Wo wura mu da, de bia bu tikoto wo di wura me yam ekoba.
Adia
wo di wura mu koba.
Listen. Sebi obi twem na so te se me kasa an be kasa be ma na o kasa ma ne kasa abro. Me hwede so but adia wo yi sebi o
nyansa ni ai me majatu nyansa ni but me yeji me de no. Ma me sha kollo. Majimi me pe. Nyansa ni me yeji me de. Ba me sha papa ne kasa.
Me call because anything you are not serious.
Nanja wo timi chifa msunku.
Nanja
won't you meet him to Miss Mamisha?
Me a bema. Miss Mamisha. I can give you the right to it's all over. I can't. I told you to come to Connecticut. Me a bema. Then me a bema. Me a worry. Don't tell me a bema. Oh, we a bema. Me papa says what you say na me. Me can be was. Me person. What you say? Who me dig? What's the meaning of this? I didn't know your perception. My brother was here. My brother. Me can personal phone. Me can personal phone. If you say that can be killed when you start from
said the woman.
Did I change, madam? Nana change. I do a boss me.
Hey, who are you to intervene now? I could have been intervening, name no conversation. Who begs the action?
Yes,
who begs the action?
Me touch with the woody yummy. So to me, what's it called? I'm not
talking. Me no change, I know how to go through. He says, what they ban them.
Someone also check for no woman. No, we some of your back and try. Okay. Self idea ya bwa ni sungi. Mujana fiso ni sungi.
Ade.
The boss has started him. Ese when we inside door. Ra.
Hey.
Adia so they want to wear uniform. The boss o chire madam.
Ade.
No kitchen ho. Biti so big kikem. Men ko ha boss. Madam say madam, how did you asema? Madam e be chemu na behwe. Minim say wonim kasa sa etimani bufu.
Oh, so entro be na twa to boss.
Mementro. Na nyame no mo na hye wo. Hey, boss asesa wo. Ah, na opeso wale madam wie na wo che ne me masema na. Oh, na me ade de say wonim say me hunu ya menka.
Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah.
As what tin jojo madam bi wo cheses wo ye wo hini bi wo madam minim na de potinya opese wo chire.
Oh, okay, can I do it?
Yeah,
Jesus. Boss, I can I do it, madam?
Me na me kana chire.
Hey, we want 18 year talent academy no. Because
wa mu akunya cement na so metana wa.
This is boss.
Ba ye hu fia.
Yes, I did. I do not be me.
Na me pro utimiti am oba ha say. Asha say what deep na no de frame. The boss ba cho me na me me do fia.
Iwi ase pa. Ya do be fia se bi ye hu. It is say bi for na me ye wi a.
So well.
Oh ye be betri ni pa ne so.
Na so me to.
Say but boss yes I don't know e be me. Cause see the madam si penasem pa de bi no o kana sem chire pa se wonye kuru wo ba wale ni wonye kuru be ma papa na se chire wonya wale wi na se wuti mi free tran de konso dia na se ya se mu hwe wenti na maska fo bebre bo munye papa no
ja
because any sikani ba e be fo bi se ne ho chire no na se one ne ba betra aboa na ye ni ya onu so ba betra no konso enti ne wo se skafo na wale skafo enya for so na wale
ai na se sa na ye be
because men fa o me yo ye na obi mi si ya ka wo dem enya na ho to pui utimi twale na ha nyina yinsu bibire
na mabepa
afronita
na na fu ji ahome ngogo
be mo timi twale puma
adame bai wa wro na fu
abode na fu pu ada ukotwa ibi to TikTok
Nana, are you found out free at this time?
Did you just ask me this question?
Yes, maybe so. Nana, tell me what the baby as a son. I was saying
about 8:30.
about 8:30. Nana, I know shall see no. Open with you 5 o'clock. What chakra is 6 now of you? 8:30. And he found out call you. And I met me a fell phone swa once I'm picking me call. Now the encounter chow about Timpa and cafe. Babe, honey, and the beer may ya dear, and I'm many friends yet now won't think a crash. Into me Maya, relax and chamber. Now come home so we say. Wow, won't friend me. Miss me from so I won't pick it. And our mammy Tiffy Hannah made Jane. And I didn't know so. No, tell me.
Fenza, I'm say Ghana mremu. Emre bie ni wa a chese wo warrior. I also would do 5 o'clock and at 6 o'clock. Emre bie ni ho.
But before now we
what can say let me answer. Secondly, what say enya kokuduro when your guts no to ask where I'm coming from. Who kunu free abontia ba. O she shirt, abo tie, a she tra, a she shoe. Instead sen ka hu nunka obe hage no. Obe case no probably obe holding the tight. When your home busa, excuse me to say this. A damn question we. Who busa say him fan and free ba. Maybe mensha black. Na makase mi free ye neighbor. Maybe mensha white makase mi ko naming ceremony and ase before wedding neighbor. Ma shirt, abo tie. When your home busa me say damn question we. Are you even serious?
Nana.
No, are you serious? Answer me. Are you serious?
No, Debbie, I want to say. I saw me pusa hello. Sabi.
Never try. Obi enjoy.
What's that back for watching?
No me for me.
Anyway, I'm sorry. Me sorry say me bisa outside.
Better be sorry for yourself. Because
I me bisa no. Enye before kwan so. Sabi ko phone kita. My friend said, how many missed calls? 15 missed calls. A good phone so. Went to me and pick and copy and train. What be do fear? I saw a bower before, Baba and you couldn't peer quabons and all put juma. Then you couldn't be do fear. Now, Obe friend and kunufa. Not like Obano your with an ankasa. Obe be any more. Sabi, Oba, you will cry. Obeboa. Some Makana so good for a Kenya. I'm very sorry, okay? Be sorry, Ba.
So, send me 2 for no. Se me kasabro so I'm sorry, but you won't send ko ba o ti aware asedi. Unima ware a se ukunepi. Na ofre no na se won peki a oba ani o ukọ edi ni si. But what to me ABC bisa all these questions. Do you think it's even necessary? Excuse me, I'm really tired. Why?
The pen will pick up on Tiaba is that I say, and say your boss is super necessary. Because can't know to chicken on your so, me just as much in Martin. Beside the time now, kind of, yeah, what's it? I don't know why he's in it. Can I manage you for them? Papa could do was it? No more yet. A champion. I don't know. Remember, we don't know to chicken over. I told my friend is how we started friend 5 o'clock. It's 15 minutes call. 15 minutes call. Wait to me and pick and come over and show up on me. Who said to her, hey, I can be some tremors. Jesus Christ.
Okay. So let me ask you this. I want you to be very honest with me on this one. Okay. I trust you, I do, but I just need some assurance. Are you sure that you don't have anybody in your life? Somebody you're not vetting? Somebody you're talking stage? Nothing like that?
Sweetheart, if it's for sex, I've already had sex with you and I can choose to change towards you.
You don't have to say that.
It's because of the question you asked me.
But you still didn't have to put it to me like that.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry. Okay, I'm so sorry. But the whole truth is, I'm looking out for something brighter. One said maybe something even beyond a normal relationship. I'm being honest with you. Well, I even wish, Senka, all that we are doing will lead to marriage. Only if you're minded. That's the word I want.
Why do I have a feeling like I'm licking my brains? You want to lick my brains? Okay.
Do you trust me? Do you trust me?
Must I say it?
Do you believe in my words?
Yeah.
Okay. Mark this.
Okay.
I will never, ever let you down. And me, she said, this love will just go down the drain like that.
Yeah, I can live with that.
You know, I mean, it's something that my heart has always yearned for. I mean, to get someone so special like you.
Hi.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
Very nice place.
Thank you. So let me do the introduction. This is my chief of command, and Grace Abigail. Yes.
Chief of command.
Chief.
Hello, Grace. How are you?
Alright, so you're welcome to my humble abode. My little box.
You could say you are not just energetic, but yeah, it's.
That's why you're going.
But you, madam.
Yeah. It's okay. Mainly.
So until autumn, how anything to come home, and oh yeah.
Nipa penny into more.
Anyway. Trust me, you've really done well for yourself.
Thank you.
We'll prove beyond reasonable doubt that you are not just good and bad, but you are good. You are good with your brains. Honestly, as I said, no, I mean, we'll prove it beyond doubt. Say, you are not just hardworking in bed, but I'll keep saying it. Come
We
on.
outside.
Anyway, sweetie, I'll urge you to keep up with the good works. And say, and your man, your opportunity, turning it into something like this. But with your hard work and what you say, just keep it up. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Enough with the lectures.
And the requisite your friends and assistants behind I'll always be there for you.
Okay, thank you, Daddy.
You know how much I love you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, for the good works, I mean, where do you want to go for lunch?
I don't have any place in mind.
Are you serious?
Okay, let me put 2 and 2 together.
Two. Go to me. Or you want quick?
Let me. I want what? Chinka fan and pejami. Okay, let me get my bag. Okay.
Babe, still lamenting me was maintaining me. Okay, try me say me man could carry me. What carry me? What carry crown can't try me say what carry me. Babe, first no ye be beer. Utana movie and now catch me. Uko carry cutting some baby, best me go carry. No my catcher sent me near ready. Change to me for some grand major about me near ready. But this time, Nana will be piazza. Be anywhere we are catch me. Baby, they were born here, cause no, we can be betray me. Mamma, you okay? I'm telling you what, because me see a whole thing. I say, why, honey? My old baby Anna, my old Bonnie, would ye just open up to me? Because what's the son? Mamma, I say now, let me chance you. No, only me and chance say. If you be beer, if you accommodate cry so baby some baby, accommodate me day. No, my catcher said then I will be G. Was he being choosy be more? You'll be dimponam and me. But this time, dear, no, honey. Would you didn't see your pint here and no be too feeling to catch him? Kabibi, maybe traffic, maybe could be too messy. Would you come be sure?
Yeah, I'm saying, by the way, I will see Casa. Will be some question. I mean, are you okay? Sometimes the way I am see Casa, we are not Oma. Wakuma Kosu.
The piano, my worried.
The piano, my irrespective of the number of calls I will put it through to me, Abia me what traffic mo Abia me meeting Abia me drive baby crana me nam Abia highway so tears I betray anyway I was stuck in the traffic and I mean now my bread and I was so stressed out so I had to put my phone on silent.
Baby, to wait now, ultimate can't me. Oh, Mamma is so worried. Oh, Mommy, who name me, Mamma, me, Jimmy, never be break cause you meeting like me, ask my hand from so like, baby. Only me send me door. It's be very near I am coming, Mr. The patrol. Would they not say, traffic? Watch me, why? She knows them, my fear. You know, you may not test you. Me catch us baby and never feel. So my ready about it. It's a question. No, I say, me who you mean? Baby, I'm sorry, okay? Oh, it's my name is baby. Honey, see when mommy first. Baby, my feeling, baby. Let's go inside. When you said they miss somebody ready, Mama. Oh, boy, I said, oh, person, let me come to one. Baby, my sister.
Then I'll be a shoe. That's so sweet. Then I show the cashier.
Then I meet with that show. It's me for you, yeah, show.
We do beat me, I should work more.
Yeah, we do.
I'm being serious.
You're also very good, you know that.
Not me boy extra. There's not me feelings, you know. Anyway.
Thank you so much. Okay.
You're welcome, babe.
Alright, so when are you taking me to your end? Salome, no one about you. Boss.
Honestly, I think it's in the right direction if I take you there. However, I won't say I'm a person. Me make choices. So as if we underwear, I'll share better attractive. My own, I mean, say me need to make his choices.
I can wear your clothes.
Yes, sexy mommy, not down. Oh, come on,
boy. No, I'll bring them along. I'll pack my wardrobe to your head.
Honestly, I really enjoy having fun with you. Say me brain nank me didi kakra me ho ye ko ho a me bra me dedi. Nso de wo bibia o. Me bra me timi di rice kakra, ne me di banku kakra, ne me di
It's a very good excuse.
Me di jollof kakra. Ka me honom ne ko ya right after first round. Jollof ya de ma me nkmenya we. Unless you pay me akwa order. Come on. Embra crazy and catty any so.
Fine, it's a good excuse. It's okay.
To them no worry. Say if you make it things right and I see a warrior, I mean what to maintain one way.
But I just want to see your place. Let me baby out there.
Fair enough. I'll surprise you.
Really?
It will be a surprise, babe.
I want to see what you say.
Honestly, listen to me. Whenever I get closer to you, I want to me feel for sex and all that. So you get it.
It's the higher hotel. And I'll hire him.
Annie, that's not what I'm saying.
What are you saying?
They make can say, me bound child feel for that. And you come here, I may feel for. Me pay no unze sex me pay. Having sex with you in a relaxed manner. You come here, na ya me pay daddy.
Your home, no, you're not relaxed in your own home.
Say me, but what's me relaxed? Na me
Salome,
babe.
Come
on.
Okay, bye.
I'll be taking my leave. I already told you. I got a couple of meetings to attend this week.
Can't you postpone them?
Babe, I wish I could do it. Anyway, the funds you requested for. I've already transferred 10,000 into your accounts. Let me show you.
Thank you.
Let me show you. Come here.
Hurry! Thank you! That's a lot. Okay, thank you so much.
I'll do anything for you.
I know. Please let me count my money. I love you too.
Hey, are you prioritizing this over me?
Oh, I am not, but
You are. Come on.
a stitch in time saves nine. Come on, Baku, you are fine.
Are you damn serious?
Oh, I'm just playing.
Anyway, things I'm
Baby. You can go, baby.
I can go.
Oh, not like I'm sacking you, but the client.
You get down with your money. Get down with your money before I do.
Okay. I think that's all.
Baby.
I told you to let me count my body first. Alright, darling.
Are you not even escorting me? Babe.
Lizzie, I'm not up yet. You're the one waking me up.
Okay, to the gate. To the gate.
To the door, the gate.
Whatever.
Okay. Right. Let's go.
I mean to the main gate.
No, I can't.
Babe, you need to change.
I can't.
Who's a mama?
It is our little won't pay. I know more by any of one lady. If you know Pembrokeshire. No, no, Chimpanasa. Oh, I won't show our rate and tremble. Maybe a 10 years' time, no, our own. Eh, one cushion. What do you want to listen by? Was a pin, my money. I faded the
Fortunes, Papa. Oh, you also, Madame Euska. This is all right, and yeah. Bring me to Madame Zitano, be Tibiancasa. Now, Madame Zua, and the Japanese about the deal. Now, what better than good? Won't baby being yet. No one does it, but says my papa. Cocasso was a Mianca. Coca. See, Mianca. Madame Zudia won't compare to no Bama. And so, sir. Mother, when you say, Mother, when you say, you didn't cost yourself and go dear, Uncle Wodia, Uncle William Barnett said the waiting me about the Alabama. I see ya, if you are now here. I shut about our but get it. Uncle to put here. Oh, to me, more for my double below. I see ya.
Show what you
Huh? What you wasn't saying?
What do you want?
What do you wait me? Oh, I said, I said, be Sasa when I say, you tell me what the other said. I didn't get already. Like a whole body, Uncle, when you be at to say, well, I'll have a baby clan as a home loan. I said, now, whom said that night of me away then. Who be our show where this. No, I was a couple of young and for. Oh, she, I see.
What you know, anyone?
Bet you bet I make no what you soon you do. No to my Abavia. You mean now? Now, who put this in two quarters of the one that what's up?
Bet you had him.
Sir, I know one testament.
Yeah, my woman.
And you be Obana, who claim say my Bobby Siawan. Me patch your down, what would you do? Okay, until you answer fair enough.
Obana put that in TV.
And you be a Kenya. Obano, we are negotiating opinion. Kenya, you employ with your said.
But you get man.
But when you're home, I bet now 80.
I do understand me now.
And you're home, I'm a glasser. Men no man. What you are,
Madame Cassie and family. What Tom
Kenya won't say if we are say hi yet. Bear must would the concern be prayer. Now, shepherd, a putu. Would the concern be prayer, sub you know a chimney as I hear. Won't bear my concern you, Scada. Kenya, Minkas be prayer. I dare now I am. Sub you come home quite say near me, my free fear. I'm a day boko. Let this be the last time I'll be China baby. Where did me home come? What else am I catch you? Get out from here. How long now person will take it to worship plate? Get out from here! By the count of 10. Can I stand here? Ajoa. Obey fi hana ye foul say be clean ham. Dear is a kaka. See the juma mawa ye na time be.
Time baby. Me ten
Inti nipa na bet na ham a woni na edi nkomo. Time be na adbe worship plate na yesen.
Miss Monson.
Plate no yes I. Now the more than one now and never will.
So what can say Mr. Bra? Corner say I walk at me. And a boss of Bobo Sam Sabusabe. Madame Wally, my son, many in other. So blaze or once a man make up a chop and cash it.
You know what? Men can be but you guys should be very, very, very careful.
You sound very worried on the phone. What is going on?
do I want to marry and maintain?
Minia Bema. Naneje.
When you buy my subayasesa. Just a payment in crash. Manone Kasaya time.
Kumajay. Naneje. Are you talking about my brother? Naneje.
Akuma, someone meaning your bema a champion in young warrior and me feel company in Maudana.
No, you guys were so much in love.
Okay, I didn't make us ask me what you say. Jesus Christ.
What is going on? Tell me. Catch me. I didn't know.
Akuma, when you have a master, we know Pia or Mountain. Or Bansusa original phone so 24/7. Make a son who are not all chocho me or tit see Mr. Atantadie. Then I jet me to show me some Sasa Colebia with Sabby. Metin chain.
Naneje. Then I can. Naneje, I want to just know, don't you want to tell I'm worried to some warrior crumpled and said, baby, a woman. Since I'm Naneje, the ring shame me. Naneje, Supanya, son. Just say, me, Jesus. Oh, me ne beka sada bia nya sanoti.
Se na obrat here. Se me ho sansu ba we wona ho me ka bibia se en ka menji to mo ni ring we fan me sada.
O de ma wakoma. Me ne beka sa.
Jesus.
Na wonye bibia ye.
E ko made na ma ye.
O fom ni o tia ne nice.
Come on.
O se nipa de nipa nzesa kwa.
E ko ma me kwa me ti me bisa ne say, babe, se ma fom a wo de ka hwe me. Na me mpa wo cho e bia na ma ye bibia ompe. What me show me so no ahya me fom.
Jesus Christ.
No what share for me so no ko. No what share for me so no ko. Na dey to me pay 4 days 5 days no buy. Eh, obaso anajo 20 say. Na dey pay me just for so your course na. Wo wie na me koso ni mu no. Waka chem say hey, excuse you. My brain person me da.
Ekuma me say dey okay dey. Baby you do need just aye time. Onim. Ndia na menua, me ne bekasa, wate.
Ekuma,
mesrew.
Eno bran kasa na. The was je no metete. Me ni anije, I'm not happy like Jesus, obi awari wia na nije no. Me die.
Nice one from ne onya ne hwe. We aduane odi.
No,
ondi.
Ibi ofa ne kuka anka me. Wodi ne ho kame me won pem. Since I wari we na nije enemy dambro for. Na nije ni me say phone kwa ebedubo enduye.
Ekuma, we dey misro. Me ni me nua bema bekasa. Me nim dia boira ne tim. Oh bodam. Eh.
Me nim ase me nso.
Jane mame wate. E dey nso no no. O dey jane mame. Ma wakoma nto wo yem jane mame. Ah. Why ya dear papa? Na just say dey o kan dey edu baby o wayama.
Ekuma, just say my dream one me catch me feel kwa be catch kwa me ferry.
What's the mema dey o mo te say nkola. I just monim dey o you.
Na je ni me wo you.
Monim.
So what me just phone so anajo. Obekasa san because we san na no what ti matama jojo me.
Eh timude ni jimi.
No.
Me ne bekasa.
This one ni timude kuma.
Michelle. Wo dey fan say who's a mema o mo te say nkola. Nti dey fan say nkola bi ba bia wa ho na to wo jimi.
Asabe ni sile.
Tele bi extra honana.
Love you. Na wo ka boss ho sem na. Oba ila na me bo mani na wu. O se na me yesim. Ke ntie ni.
O se nipa o di bone o di bone. Da ko de o ye den a ye be che wo.
Na wo kwa ya na me se boss me enya na kan yo. Ni ke la na ka. Ba nya sa. Woni me dia sante mapon kwa ye de o.
Na me asema na me twantro.
Enya to no. Enko se no woni. Kwase asema.
Wo ba be si o ba be si aso.
You how ba ti mo do abesi.
Na wo se
Agwali ye kai ni na yo ba ne ka. E de na dwane wo. Na wa ye kukuti.
Who do you like?
Who kumbangu. Ade ade a.
Ye kwa ye so won fa so
Ese ne no wa. Si ye adwuma mi dwe ka.
Me tie na se I fresh bi a aka oba metunu kwa menya fie si poso. Kwa sia na wo.
Also de wa ye no pebi. De boss wa ye no pebi.
De ono de bi de minyo ba na to ba na titi morom se se so e bia. Me tie na brabo.
Sana be
Me dini be sia gongon. Me dini be sia gongon.
Na
papa fo wona.
No, being and no more will see a way could see obey because I would ngam.
And that is now. Nice or got that dear brand, Gemma, in the day, a will know.
And when you're a full way,
like I say, you just I said you also or that died so.
Died to be. Or what? Maybe walk kitchen number, and I give them boss. Will be another. Oh, Janan, boys in front. Afronita. Afronita. I didn't want any fear of women. He could have. What's up? What in what's that? I'm going to find a way. Let's get you. I see a dinner.
Kenya. Boss. 1,005 times 2 is it?
$24.
I will assume say wow, I'll tell you. 1,005 times 12 is 18,000. 180 million. 180 million. Okay. Kenya, say now tier crassy. And no be fat to and also say or prepare you mama. And no do far car. Can you let me speak?
I'm correct, sir.
And no do far car or no one a fat to and also personally. And no do far car or boka no do bet na. Or do bet na hands busumi biano or 1,500. 180 million titisika. O call mandate wofi ani say. O bet na ha no big it. Bibi and can be. But ultimately differentiate time I'd be big it anytime I'd be having fun. And now Tiffin and Kwasi asem no konkonsan ko na wudi. Kenya, what's the meaning of that? Me be jina me bo aben ni say. Ah? What's that bo aben ni say? Ah? Na also hey. Come here. What's man so better now? What's man so better now? So who done ya for me fear bi? Munyan said di nyansa ba ku plan.
I didn't hear you right. What did you say? I am a cheap hole. You're calling me a cheap hole. Let's go. Let's go. Get up. And I will be Sasa, no, Nana. Share, so Jimmy, I won't.
Hey, we don't know what you go on me.
What's the sign?
Okay, pick up.
Hey, Jimmy, when I come back to him. Hey, I mean, anyway. To be about.
Okay, that's right. Come on, what's all right?
Ajwa, come on to me. Ajwa, don't remember some of that.
Shut up.
Hey, Kenya.
Oh, boom.
Kenya. Mommy.